Is go to your nearest grocery shop, hold the following objects and estimate their weight. Then read their weights and check your estimates. Item name, grocery shop item names, soap, toothpaste, washing powder, rice sack, salt packet, red gram, dal packet. These are the items. First, children, you estimate that weight. If you estimate the weight is 250 grams, if you see their weights in their packet, the actual weight is 100 grams. Children, you should write these column actual weight. In this column, you should write estimated weight. Estimated weight, before you read their weight, you first estimate the weight. You write in this column. After the estimated weight, you should write actual weight in this column. Okay, children? If you estimate toothpaste, this is the estimated weight, not exact weight. If you estimate this 100 grams, if you see the weight, actual weight is 200 grams. So this is the estimated weight, this is the actual weight. Okay, children, write the estimated values, actual weights. At your home, which items in the kitchen are purchased in grams and which in kilograms? Children, observe your kitchen and write purchased items in kilograms. High weight items we measured in kilograms, we purchased in kilograms. Small items, small things we purchased in grams. Children, look into in your kitchen and write the kilograms purchased items, purchased in grams items. We will purchase rice in kilograms. Okay. We will measure purchased in grams jeela, karra, avalu, lavangalu in cloves. We call cloves. This type of items, small weight, purchased in grams, you should write this column. Purchased in kilograms items, you should write this column. Okay, children, complete these three rows also. Okay. Vishal's shop. Vishal has a big scrap shop. This is a scrap shop. Today he has received 45 kgs of old newspaper, 26 kgs of scrap iron and 8 kgs of waste plastic at his shop. Okay, children, observe the page number 94 carefully. "45 kgs of old newspaper, 26 kgs of scrap iron, 8 kgs of waste plastic." First question, A question, what is the total weight of his scrap collection in the day? First, old newspaper is 45 kgs. Next, 26 kgs of scrap iron plus 26 plus 8. Okay, total 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19, 1, 3, total 79 kgs. The total weight of his scrap collection is 79 kgs. A question answer is 79 kgs. Vishal paid 8 rupees for every 1 kg wall. Vishal paid 8 rupees for every 1 kg wallpaper. How much he would have paid for 45 kgs? B question. Answer 1 kg paper equal 1 kg wallpaper cost is 8 rupees. So 45 kgs of old paper cost how much? To get answer, we should multiply 45 into 8. 8 5 the 40. 8 4 the 32. 36. 336 rupees. So 360 rupees he paid for 45 kgs. B question answer. Vishal paid 520 rupees for all the scrap iron that he collected. How much did he pay for 1 kg of scrap iron? Total collected scrap iron is 26 kgs. So 26 kgs of scrap iron cost is 520 rupees. 1 kg scrap iron cost how much? To get answer, we should division 520, 26 to the 52, 26 0 the 0. So 20 rupees he paid for 1 kg scrap iron. If Vishal paid 1000 rupees for all the material given above, then how much did he pay for 8 kg of plastic material? How much did he pay for 1 kg of plastic material? Vishal paid 1000 rupees for all the material. Vishal paid for all the material how much? 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. From B question, he paid 45 kgs old newspaper. 45. He paid for 45 kgs of old newspaper. B question answer is 360 rupees. Next, he paid for scrap iron 26 kgs of scrap iron. 26 kgs of scrap iron he paid 520 rupees. Next, we should know 8 kgs of waste paper, waste plastic how much? To get 8 kgs of plastic, waste plastic cost, we should add these two numbers, subtract from 1000. So 360 plus 520. How much? 880. So 1000 minus 880. 0. Borrow from 1, 9 to 120. So 8 kg of waste plastic cost is how much? 120 rupees. So 1 kg waste plastic cost how much? 1 kg, 1 kg. To get answer, we should divide by 120 divided by 8. 100 divided by 8. 8 1 the 8. 4. 8 5 the 40. So, how much he paid? 15 rupees he paid for 1 kg of plastic material. Okay, children? Vishal sold each of the 3 items. The 3 items are plastic, scrap iron, old newspaper. For 3 rupees kg more than what he had purchased them for. So, how much has he earned in the day? E question answer. The total weight of the collection is how much? 79 kgs. So, Vishal sold each of the 3 items of 3 rupees per kg more than he purchased. So, we should multiply 79 into 3. 79 into 3. 3 9 the 27. 3 7 the 21. 237. So, Vishal had earned 237 in the body. Okay, children?